I've always wondered myself, why do we have to hear this every night, what the stock market is doing?
70 record closing highs so far for the Dow.
Blasting through a ceiling.
In a record-setting IPO.
Investors who have been riding the wave.
Ever wondered how a simple market transformed into the global financial juggernaut we know today?
And that benefits everyone.
The stock market has gained almost $3 trillion in value since the election.
Imagine a journey that spans centuries, beginning in the quaint streets of Amsterdam and evolving into the towering skyscrapers of Wall Street. The history of the stock exchange is not just a tale of buying and selling shares. It's a story of financial innovation, economic upheaval, and the relentless quest for progress. From the early days of trading in Amsterdam to the sophisticated digital platforms of the modern era, the stock exchange has played a pivotal role in shaping the global economy. Buckle up as we delve into this riveting history, exploring how the stock exchange evolved and revolutionized finance. Ready to embark on this financial odyssey? Let's dive into the captivating story of the stock exchange. 1. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange, 1602. Our journey begins in Amsterdam, where the first official stock exchange was established in 1602 by the Dutch East India Company. This groundbreaking initiative allowed investors to buy and sell shares in a company involved in global trade. It wasn't just about creating a market for the trading stocks. It was about inventing a new way to raise capital and distribute risk. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange was a pioneer in introducing the concept of equity financing, where investors could share in the profits and losses of the business. Amsterdam, what was the significance of this early stock exchange? It introduced the concept of equity investment and market speculation, paving the way for modern financial markets. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange was instrumental in demonstrating how public investment could drive large-scale ventures. It allowed the Dutch East India Company to raise significant capital, facilitating its expansion and the establishment of a global trading network. This early stock exchange laid the foundation for future financial markets, proving that capital could be raised from a diverse group of investors and that trading could become a key component of economic growth. From a small Dutch initiative to the bedrock of global finance, Amsterdam's stock exchange set the stage for financial innovation. 2. The London Stock Exchange, 1801. Our next stop is London, where the London Stock Exchange, LSE, was formally established in 1801. Although stock trading in London began in the late 17th century with the establishment of informal markets, the LSE's creation marked a significant leap forward. The LSE provided a formal structure for trading stocks and bonds, introducing systematic trading practices and formal regulations that enhanced transparency and fairness in the market. London, how did the LSE influence the evolution of financial markets? It established formal trading practices and regulations, setting standards for financial markets around the world. The LSE's establishment was a major milestone in the development of financial markets. It introduced practices such as stockbroking, essential for organizing and executing trades. The LSE also played a critical role in advancing financial standards and regulations, contributing to the stability and growth of the global financial system. The exchange became a hub for international trade and investment, further solidifying London's position as a key player in global finance. From informal trading to a global financial center, London's stock exchange transformed the industry with its innovations. 3. The New York Stock Exchange, 1792. As we move across the Atlantic to New York, we find the origins of the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, founded in 1792. The NYSE began with the signing of the Buttonwood Agreement by 24 brokers, establishing the rules for trading securities and laying the groundwork for its development. Initially, trading took place under a buttonwood tree on Wall Street, but the NYSE quickly grew into one of the world's largest and most influential stock exchanges. New York, how did the New York Stock Exchange rise to prominence in the financial world? Through rapid expansion and innovation, it became the largest stock exchange globally, influencing financial markets worldwide. The NYSE's growth mirrored the economic expansion of the United States. It provided a platform for American companies to raise capital and for investors to participate in the country's economic development. The exchange's innovations, such as the establishment of a centralized trading floor and the introduction of new financial products, helped it become a leading financial institution. The NYSE's influence extended beyond the US, impacting global financial markets and contributing to the development of modern financial systems. From a modest beginning to a global financial leader, New York Stock Exchange set the standard for market trading. 4. The rise of electronic trading, 1970s to 2000s.
Look at the Dow, currently up by 100.
The NASDAQ finally hit 5,000.
And investors are salivating.
Is this a new kind of gold?
The late 20th century saw a dramatic shift with the advent of electronic trading. This transformation began in the 1970s with the creation of electronic trading systems, culminating in the establishment of the NASDAQ in 1971 as the first electronic stock exchange. Electronic trading revolutionized financial transactions, offering faster processing times, reduced costs, and greater market accessibility. Electronic trading, how did it revolutionize the stock market? It introduced automated trading systems that increased efficiency, lowered transaction costs, and expanded market access globally. The rise of electronic trading marked a departure from traditional methods of trading on physical floors. It brought about significant changes in how trades were conducted, making the process more efficient and transparent. The introduction of electronic platforms also democratized access to financial markets, allowing more investors to participate in trading and investing. This shift paved the way for high-frequency and algorithmic trading, further transforming the financial landscape. From traditional floors to digital platforms, electronic trading reshaped how markets operate and how investors engage. 5. Globalization and modern exchanges, 2000s to present. In recent years, the stock exchange landscape has been shaped by globalization. Mergers and alliances between exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange's acquisition of Euronext and the London Stock Exchange's merger with Borsa Italiana have created a more interconnected global market.
It's the most important example of our efforts here in Washington to maximize the possibilities of the new information age global economy.
Modern exchanges now operate across multiple countries, providing diverse investment opportunities and fostering economic integration on a global scale. Globalization, what has been its impact on stock exchanges? It has led to a more interconnected financial network, offering greater opportunities for cross-border investments and market integration. The globalization of stock exchanges has facilitated the integration of financial markets across borders, creating a more cohesive global financial system. This interconnectedness has allowed investors to access a wider range of markets and investment opportunities, reflecting the increasingly global nature of the economy. The ongoing evolution of stock exchanges continues to drive innovation and expand possibilities for investors, shaping the future of finance. From local trading to a global financial network, modern exchanges are at the forefront of financial innovation and integration. And there you have it, the compelling evolution of the stock exchange from Amsterdam to Wall Street. From pioneering innovations to the rise of electronic trading and global integration, this journey highlights how stock exchanges have revolutionized finance and investment. If you've enjoyed this exploration of the stock exchange's history, don't let this knowledge end here. Hit that like button to show your appreciation, subscribe for more deep dives into historical and financial topics, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of finance and its impact on our lives. Thanks for watching, and keep discovering the rich tapestry of financial history with us.